We may still be over a year away from a playable game, but how Sony Online Entertainment, the game's developer, has taken the best features of other amazing games and put their own unique spin on them is going to be truly breathtaking. These are my top 5 reasons that you should be excited for Everquest Next. The best-selling PC game of all time is Minecraft, and much like Minecraft, Next will have an extremely destructible environment. Things like bridges and houses may be there when you pass by one day, but not the next. This makes the game world feel like it is constantly evolving, which in turn never lets you feel like you're just in the same old world day after day. The amount of destructible objects still has yet to be released. It will hopefully be substantial, but we do not know if we will be able to destroy whole cities and mountains. Another best-selling game is the original Guild Wars. Guild Wars had an amazing PvP system. This was mainly due to the many combinations of classes that were available to fiddle with and to master. This created an environment where nobody you faced was the same, and you had to constantly evolve your strategy. Next is bragging that it will be able to do the same thing with over 40 different classes. The game will give you 8 to choose from at the beginning, but to get the rest, you will need to explore the world. The sequel to Guild Wars brought another thing never seen before to MMOs, dynamic events. Everquest Next will put their own spin on this with emergent AI. While it is similar, I feel it relies more on enemy NPCs making choices rather than events that pop up when you walk near. For example, the troll will know that he wants meat, but he also knows that it doesn't like the sun, so he will hide in a shady spot near a flock of livestock. He will even move with the shade as the day progresses and the sun rises and falls. The size of Everquest Next is said to be even bigger than both of its predecessors put together, Everquest 1 and 2. These were 2 fully blown games, and now this one will be bigger than both of them put together. That is hundreds of hours of exploration at the very least. Champions Online is a much lesser known MMO, but still had a solid fan base, and for good reason. The movement in this is similar to Everquest. The sliding, double jumps, and the grappling hooks, which we've seen in Landmark, were all part of Champions Online. My best memories from Champions Online were just running around with my buddy, hopping over stuff, and just racing around the map. It's a lot better than World of Warcraft when you just run in a circle while talking to your friends in Vent.